Hello and welcome to Ficheall.ie, and today we're going to be talking about check. Before we learn about check, we need to know the difference between a safe and an unsafe square. A safe square is a square in which a piece cannot be captured by the opponent. An unsafe square is a square in which the opponent can capture a piece. Let's look at a few examples. Can we find examples of safe and unsafe squares for the black king to move? We can see that the white bishop is attacking this diagonal. So therefore any squares along this diagonal is an unsafe square. So there is only one safe square available for the king to move. Let's look at another example. In this example we will try to find safe and unsafe squares for the black king again. The queen and the knight are attacking squares to the left of the king. Neither of these squares are safe, so both squares being attacked are unsafe squares. The squares to the right of the king are not being attacked by an opponent, so both these squares are safe squares. So what about check? When the king square becomes unsafe, or when your king is being attacked directly by an opponent's piece, we say that the king is in check. A king can never move into an unsafe square. This is called moving into check. A king can never move into check. It is against the rules. If this happens, you must go back and make a different move. In this example, the white queen is directly attacking the black king. The black king is in check. The black king is in an unsafe square and it must move out of check. When you directly attack your opponent's king, this is called check. You must say check and let your opponent know that you are directly attacking their king. Here the black king is in check again. This time, the white bishop is directly attacking the black king. This is called check. The player playing with the white bishop would say check out loud to let their opponent know that their king is in an unsafe square and that their king is in check. Remember, a king cannot move into check, or a king cannot move in to an unsafe square. Looking back at our example from earlier, the king would not be able to move into the unsafe squares marked in red because the knight and the queen are attacking both those squares, but it would be able to move into the safe squares marked in green. And of course the king is already in a safe square. It is not directly under attack or it is not in check, so it doesn't have to move here. You can choose to move another one of your pieces instead. Same applies to this example. The king is not in check, it is not in an unsafe square, so it does not have to move. But if it decides to move, the king cannot move into the unsafe squares marked in red because the bishop is attacking that diagonal. This is called moving into check. You are not allowed to move into check. The king can move into the safe square marked in green. If a king moves into check during a game, this is an illegal move. You must go back and make a different move. I hope you've enjoyed our video. If you want to learn how to get out of check or what to do when you are in check, check out our next video, CPR and Checkmate.